Hi, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make kway chap. Kway chap is a kind of noodle soup we made from rice fresh noodle with chicken, or you can call kway chap gai. Kway chap is just the name of this soup and gai is mean chicken. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, for making raw rice noodle soup, I want to add a little of chicken broth, then bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add 2 pieces of chicken breast or chicken thigh depending on what you prefer. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black soy sauce. Then add some spice into the pot. Reduce to medium heat and cover with a lid. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes. For the spice, I have 5 to 6 pieces of shiitake mushroom, 1 cinnamon stick, 10 pieces of cilantro stem, 1 whole garlic cut in half. This is dyed galangal. Use only 1 piece. 4 to 5 pieces of anise, some black peppercorn, some coriander seeds, and some goji or lysine berry. Put them onto cheesecloth. Then tie it. However, if you don't have all spice on hand, you can add only 5 spice. It will work well and save time. Okay, let's prepare some eggs for topping. Add about 2 tablespoons of black soy sauce on boiling egg to make them look brown. Coat with sauce. Then soak it for 3 minutes if you don't want them look dark, but I want to soak longer than that. Next topping. I would like to fry tofu. I have extra firm tofu, then slice to thick enough not to break apart, just like this. Once you finish, put onto a plate, set it aside. We need 2 eggs. Crack them into a bowl, then add a pinch of sauce and a pinch of pepper, then combine well. Okay, pour the egg onto tofu. Sprinkle with cornstarch. Then turn over to the other side and sprinkle cornstarch on. Then you're good to go. Heat a pan on medium-high heat. Add some cooking oil. Once oil is hot, add tofu, 1 piece at a time. Then let them cook until nice and golden on both sides. You can deep fry tofu without egg if you like, but adding egg will add flavor and give the tofu nice color. Okay, the soup is ready, but I want to take the herbs out. Then reduce the heat to low. Let it warm like that. Okay, we're going to cook rice fresh noodle. You need boiled water. This is what I call rice fresh noodle. I use CTF brand. It works very well. Today I want to cook the whole package of about 3 to 4 servings. Okay, when you cook it, add a little at a time. If you add too much, they won't be rolling well, and make sure your water is boiling. If not, they also not rolling well. During cooking, stir often to separate them. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes, then you will see them rolling. Then you can continue to more a little at a time. So, when you add more and more, you will see that the water has evaporated. You can take them out. Then add some more water. If you have enough water, you can continue with the same step until the rice phase is gone. Okay, after adding more water, make sure it is boiling. Then continue your step. Once finished, I want to reduce the heat, then add one that we took out earlier back into the pot. Then finally, add about 2 tablespoons of rice flour with water. Mix it up. Then you will see it look more cloudy and thickened. That's what we're looking for. So turn the heat off, set it aside. Okay, back to chicken. I want to take them out, then tear them apart. You can slice into small pieces as you like. Okay, now it's time to serve. Add raw rice noodle into a bowl. If you see that noodles are too thick, it's okay. They will separate once you add the soup in. Add the soup in. It smells so good. Now, we're going to add the topping. Look at my egg. I let them rest for 30 minutes. I just want them to look like this on both sides. but we don't show it anyway. Okay, put the chicken in, tofu on, eggs cut in half, then green onion and cilantro. There you go, raw rice chicken noodle soup or quay chap cay. Okay, enjoy. My recipe in description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!